Under high temperatures, titanium material reshapes itself beneath the forging press. The dull clanging of impacts, paired with the gradual formation of the material, offers an incredibly satisfying visual and auditory experience. There exists a significant difference between titanium forging and ordinary steel forging. Titanium forging resembles precision work, requiring strict temperature control and oxidation prevention. Steel forging, on the other hand, is more akin to rough machining, featuring a higher tolerance for errors and a more rugged approach to operation.